Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Our project title is Integrating Decision Tool for Environmental Impact Reduction in Suitable Urban Planning. Our project abstract is the environmental impact reduction in crucial for the suitable urban planning in the mitigated to harmful effective of the urbans on the ecosystem, climate and public health. As cities expanded, minimizing to the environmental degradation through the well-planned strategy became to the essential to the ensuring long-term suitability. These paper integrated to the T-SFS fuzzy system to address to the inherited uncertainty in evaluating urban development alternative. TFSF enable more accurate assessment by the capturing expert judgment variability. The particularly for the complex criteria such as to the energy efficiency, biodiversity, and the land use optimization. In addition, the study employed to the CRADIS method along with the logistic arithmetic percentage changes driven objective techniques to wait to that evaluate in this integrated approach, ensuring to the criteria signification in that accurately representing and supporting to the robustness decision making. The result provide the comparative analysis on 5 urban and development, helping to the urban planning suitability option to the plan environmental, social and then economical factors. By incorporating fuzzy logic and advancement decision making techniques in this study offer to the comprehensive tool for the policymaker to make informed decision that contribute to the suitable urban growth and utility cities for the more eco-friendly and benefitable to society. Our project flow chart is first we can start with the data selection. So Anagunda navigator launch to the spider urban planning dataset. We can move on to the data pre-processing step. Data pre-processing considering to the 3 step: missing values, normalization, unnecessary row and column will be labeled encoding process. So 3 step we have completed, means we can move on to the data splitting, classification algorithm and performance analysis. Classification we are using to the T-Spherical Fuzzy Set algorithm. So finally we have calculated that the traffic will be urban area planning, traffic will be occur or not, we have checked it out, and performance analysis will be comparative. So we have into the process, we have log out to that module. So data selection, data processing, data splitting, classification and model training, and then performance analysis. Our project execution, first we have read to the data set. So after to the model training, we are using to the random forest decision tree, logistic regression, gradient boosting, KNN algorithm, XGBoost classifier algorithm. So these are the algorithm part. So first we are checking the missing values and then EDA plots. So these are the EDA plots, and then features correlation mapping, and then model training. So which algorithm is the best one, we have compared to the model, and then confusion matrix. Next one we can move on to the streamlet process wise. So this is integrated to the designing title, and then we have upload to the traffic CSV dataset. So what are the column means time, date, weekend, car count, and then bike count. So this is the normal or the traffic wise. So the missing values we have check it on, and then broad plot, histogram, EDA, and then model training. So these are that we have entered to the details and predict to that the traffic situation will be normal. So what are the data we have entered it, we have predict to the traffic will be occur or not, we have check it on. So the traffic will be high, the bus count will be high, truck count will be high. Totally what are that means, we can find out to the traffic will be the urban planning will be high or low, we have analyzed it.